morning, Christmas?
Because I'm tired.
Tired? You go to bed or you gonna wait till midnight?
Oh, shit.
You gonna make it?
Yep, I'll make it.
You gotta make it with Papa tonight. New Year's.
It's hard to do. Jeez, man, that is so loud.
Christmas, get up tonight. Good. Lay on this, and then I'll hurt your belly. You got enough? Is that better? Yeah.
Why is it supposed to sleep for a couple minutes?
Oh, you guys. You go, baby.
I'll just
What time is it? Yeah? 10:25? Oh, only 35? Oh, 10:25 only? Oh, you got another hour to go. Hour and a half
for what?
before New Year's. What time is it, Mother?
10.
I don't think you're gonna make it. You look like you're tired already. You wanna go to bed? You can go to bed.
No, I can just lay here for 5 minutes. I gotta wake up.
Why don't you lay on the other end? Unplug your stuff.
I do. Wait.
Is that nothing? You good?
Is this thing okay?
Download free. That's friends without the R. Best fiends.
You're a mother.